So you want to make decisions in Blueprint. That's where the branch node comes in. It's basically an if statement, true or false. Now the reason to use it because almost every Blueprint needs to check a condition. Do we have enough health? Is player pressing the jump button? Is the door locked? Branch is the core of all checks. Now how to use it? First of all, we are going to go in event graph like this. And to call this node, you can just click right click and type in branch. And as you can see, we have the branch node here, right? And instead of this, we can also use one more trick. We will just press B on the keyboard and then click left click. And you will see that this will appear. So for now, we will just make use of this. And we will just connect the execution peak of event begin play into the branch node for the testing purposes. And I just made a variable called test, a boolean, and you can make it very easily like pressing the plus variable, and then you can type it anything you want. For example, test 2, right? And we need to compile it before it can show anything else. So just compile it. And now you can see the condition is false, set to false. It's unchecked, it means it's false. So we will drag it from here like this and get it. Now we will just connect the boolean value to the condition. And as we already know it's false, but even though we will just drag out the true pin and we will type print string, and we will do the same for the false, and we will just connect it here because we don't have two situations. You can put two print string to here, so to you can debug or things like that, and then we will drag this pin and just connect it to print string. Now why we just did that? Because it's automatically convert a boolean value to a string value and print out whether it's true or false. It's very simple. So now we can just compile the code, and for one thing, we will just make it instant editable and expose and spawn, which will just help us to change this value in the main viewport. So now we are here, we just dragged our blueprint here, and as you can see, we have test and test 2. For now, test 2 is set to false. So whenever we just click play, it will just say false, right? And we can just change the value here. So we will just now make it true. And whenever we press play, it will say true, right? Now because it's true. Again, you for demo purposes, we will just make it false, and whenever you click begin play, and you can see it's saying false. So it's working very fine, and you can actually use the branch everywhere, controlling compact logic, triggering dialog if conditions are met, or even checking if the player has the right key before opening a door. It's one of the most important node you will ever use in a game plug. And hey, if you like seeing these nodes in action, check out the game I'm building, Reborn the Evil Being. It's all blueprint under the hood, and the demo is free to play on Steam. Hope that helps, and as always, I hope you have a great day, and I'll see you around.